Hey everybody, welcome back to another how-to for your smart TV. For this example, I got my Roku TV here, and we're going to talk about troubleshooting your Wi-Fi if you're having connection issues. Now, if you're having connection issues, the first thing you want to do is check your connection. So to do that, just go to Settings, Network, then check Connection, and it'll see if the connection is good or not. Now, if something is wrong with your connection, you have a few options. The first thing I would try is to cut off your TV, then wait a while, cut it back on, see if that made a difference. The next thing you can do is check to see if you have any software updates on your TV. To do that for a Roku TV, just go to Settings, System, then Software Update, and check to see if you have one. If you have a VPN, try to disable your VPN. Maybe that's the issue. If all else fails, you can try a factory reset on your TV. To do that on a Roku TV, just go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, then Factory Reset. Then follow the prompts. If you're still having connection issues, I suggest contacting your TV's customer support. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.